और मोमेंट नहीं करना ठीक है इन्ना नहीं है
Look at this Kanik, how is experience it tell Kanik ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. Look at the we are on the top. It's like you are in aeroplane. Yeah. When takeoff will happen, it will be like this only. But now we are going down. Can you see the houses? How colorful it is.
There's so much color.
And you can see the road over there.
Yeah.
Those are the toy cars?
Yes.
Hey, no, it's real cars. It looks like a toy car, is it?
Yes. Mommy,
I'm here.
not pushing.
Don't push, don't push. Come this side. Come to me, come to me. Yes.
I can't see the ending.
Ending, which ending? Which ending you want to see? ಯಾವುದು ರೋಪ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೋಪ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಅದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
I told you no, it will take one turn.
No, it will not take turn.
Oh, it will go inside that turn.
Same. Say hi here. Hi daddy. Hi. We are in rope.
I hate you because you didn't
See there. Another rope. You take that.
వాడిగా ఇచ్చేసారా సైడ్
Now it looks like real cars.
వాడిగా సైడ్ ఇచ్చేసాం ఇక్కడ వీడియో
Mommy, some are looking like real cars, some are
చూడు
Isn't it?
వీడియో చేస్తాను
See our Pradeep driver. Are you able to see? Driver is there. See our car is there. Are you able to see white color? No?
white color.
Yeah, white color. We have white red. See, Innova. This is our first experience.
ఒక 4 ఇల్లు కట్టాలి దగ్గర ఇల్లు కొనుక్కుంటాను నేను అక్కడ ప్రశాంతంగా పోతుందాం గొర్రెలు మూలు వేసుకుంటూ సుఖంరావు సంపాదించి వచ్చేసి